Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you get email notification on iPhone instantly. So to do that, at first you need to go to your phone settings. Now into your phone settings, here you can see this option notifications. Click on it. Now into your notifications option, scroll down and go to your Gmail app. Click on Gmail. Click on allow notifications. Now all you need to do is just turn on all the options, and after that just go to your Gmail app. Now into your Gmail app, click the top left this three dash icon, scroll down and go to settings. Now here you can see email notifications. Click on it and just click on all new email, the top option, and click the top right done. And by doing these things you will get email notification on iPhone instantly. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.